Ever wondered where the fuse box is located in your 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer, or which fuse controls key components? In this video, we'll guide you through the fuse box locations and provide a clear diagram to help you troubleshoot with ease. Engine compartment fuse block. The 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer engine compartment fuse block houses fuses and relays for various engine and electrical systems. It ensures protection and proper functioning of components like the fuel system, lighting, and cooling. Instrument panel fuse block. The 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer instrument panel fuse block controls fuses for interior electronics and dashboard functions. It safeguards circuits for features like infotainment, climate control, and lighting systems. Rear compartment fuse block. The 2025 Chevrolet Trailblazer rear compartment fuse block protects and manages electrical circuits for rear components such as the rear wipers, power outlets, and other rear cabin or cargo area features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement, Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.